from Nuestra Señora de Guia Academy. Today, we're going to learn more about length. Let's have a short review about our past lesson regarding our topic. Length is the measurement or extent of something from end to end. We also use several tools to measure length. We have ruler, tape measure, long tape, caliper, micrometer, curve ruler, protractor, corner caliper, and odometer. We all know that 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Let us try to measure my pencil. I will use my ruler to measure my pencil. I will put the end of my pencil to 0. And it is 190 centimeters long. Next is my math book. And it is 250 centimeters tall. Let's try longer object. I will use long tape to measure this table. And it is 70 centimeters long. How about the door of our house? It is 210 centimeters tall. Let us express the following from centimeters to meters. 456 centimeters is equal to 4 meters and 56 centimeters. Next is 305 centimeters is equal to 3 meters and 5 centimeters. Lastly, 800 centimeters is equal to 8 meters. Now, let us try to express it from meters to centimeters. 6 meters and 25 centimeters is equal to 625 centimeters. Next, 3 meters is equal to 300 centimeters. Lastly, 5 meters and 12 centimeters is equal to 512 centimeters. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.